2016 Dodge Charger V6 GT. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we true dualed it all the way back. Put 2 FLOWMASTER Super 10s, one there, one there. Part number 842518. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back, each side. And then we took the chrome pieces out and put quad tips in its place. Complete the look. It looks really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. There it is. There's the tips that were on it. There's the wide pipe setup. And there's the intermediate piece that was all on it. We took all that off and true dual. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 111, guys. That's awesome. Again. Sky Muffler, please roll.